This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili without beans. First, let's get started by browning your meat. Use about 2 pounds of ground beef, or a combination of beef and pork for richer flavor. Cook it thoroughly in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's nicely browned. Remember to drain any excess fat before moving on to the next step. This ensures your chili isn't greasy and sets a great base. Next, it's time to build those incredible flavor layers. Add 1 large chopped onion and 2 bell peppers, any color you like, to the pot with the brown meat. Sauté them until they soften, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in your spices: 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Let them toast for about 1 minute to release their full aroma. Now let's get this chili simmering to develop its deep, rich flavors. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of beef broth. For a little kick, add a dash of your favorite hot sauce, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 1 hour. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors meld. Finally, your bean-free chili is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or a pinch more chili powder. Ladle it into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes. Shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced jalapenos are all fantastic choices. Serve it hot with some cornbread or crackers for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.